What's going on, guys? Didn't see you there. Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode, we are going to be doing some shop modifications. Don't mind the mess. We're still currently organizing everything and getting this set up to be the most efficient workspace that we can make it. First thing we're going to get into is probably hooking up the air compressor. We're going to be putting it on the back side of that wall and plumbing the lines through. We got a hose reel. Try to keep down the noise for you guys. So let's get into it. All right, so we're on the back side of that wall. This is not my workspace. This is not my clutter. But we're gonna figure out something to do with this little tank. I guess first thing is figuring out where the steps are.
Here's that 4x4.
All right, so we got to bust out this new Harbor Freight Warrior drill. We got a quarter drill because, well, sometimes battery sucks.
Plug it in and show it.
Yeah. Good enough. We'll get into this contraption after the air compressor. All right, guys, we got the stuff all hooked up. Air compressor is running and behind that wall. I'm not sure how it's going to sound on video, but I will know when I play this clip back. Hopefully you guys can barely hear it and it's not going to interfere with any kind of video stuff going on. But here's the setup. Mounted to this beam. We got leaky fittings because we did not have thread tape yet. It's spring loaded. It works. So we should be good. I guess on to the next project. All right, so I played the clip back. It is still kind of loud when you're over there. We're gonna test on the other side of the shop and see how it sounds. All right, guys, so this is our welding cart we just built last night. Got my Eastwood TIG 200 AC/DC Lincoln MIG welder. We welded some stock TTR 110 handlebars on here to wrap our cables up in. We got my helmet mounted on this side. Number plate, just for fun. We are planning on drilling some holes here for the bottles to sit. It's got 4 wheels all around. Rolls pretty nice. Should get the job done. We're gonna weld some pieces in here so it's like a tray so we can set tools like the grinder, stuff like that while you're working. Well, guys, there you go. We got some shop lights in. It's a couple days after some of the last clips you've seen of doing the air hose. We got that all hooked up. We got the air hose run up over the wall to the air compressor, so we don't have to drill no holes since this isn't my facility. We're gonna hang a couple more lights on that side, but the same process as this, so we're not gonna bore you guys with that. But I think that's it for shop updates for now. We'll probably have another video building some workbenches once I get all this crap moved. I don't know what else we want to do. I think it's
Give it that stuff and we're good to go.
gonna be about as good as it's gonna get for a little while. But that's it. Doesn't take much to install some lights. Well, we got some of the junk moved out of here. Give us a little more room. Just cleaning up after a couple projects that you'll see in some other videos. Sneak peek. But that's gonna wrap up this video. If you guys enjoy the shop content, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button. Stay tuned in on everything we got going on. The F100 project, you can hit the subscribe button for that. The new project that I'll be putting the video on, the loud air compressor that kicked on. And we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.